If you know how to deal with your mental health, it's fine to keep it to yourself. But if you don't, I think it's good you open up because you might have someone around you who knows how to handle it. Kim Sokchin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you all are doing well and having good time with your family and friends. So as we all know, BTS Jin's birthday is coming on 4th December, and we all are learning to draw or trying to give him a gift by drawing his portrait. So here I am with the process. So let's get started. So this time I wanted to explain the process briefly. So at first we will analyze the reference and we'll look into the reference, the lines, and then we will start with the process. So this is the reference I have selected this time to draw. So you can see that I have formed the grid lines. These are 10 grid lines. On the basis of we will form the grid sheet. So you can see that these grid lines are of square, and we will see that we will start with the process by drawing the eyes first. So you can see that the eyes are located, the left eye is located in the D2 and D3, and the right eye is located a little higher position than that of the left in the D4 and D3. The nose is in between the E3 and E4, and so as the lips, which are located in F3 and F4. So before taking the process or before drawing the real sketch, we will analyze the reference first so that we can understand that where the actual parts of the face are situated or placed. So now we will start with the original process. So now we have formed the grid sheet of equal boxes both horizontally and vertically. I have taken the size of 2.4 centimeters. On the basis of the length and width of the paper you have chosen, you can choose the measurements. So as I told that we will start with the left eye, you can also start from the forehead or from the nose, but I recommend you to that if you start from the eyes, you can get the accuracy which is similar to your reference. So in this reference, the nose is quite detailed. Means what I mean to say is, when you are sketching the nose, you will think that I'm unable to draw the nose, but it's not right, because as he has placed the face on the hand, or the posture of the portrait is not normal, is not a straight face. So to draw the sketch, you have to analyze the sketch first. That's we have done this time. So make sure that you handle your pencil very lightly while drawing the sketch, and your lines should be very thin and lighter so that you can erase them. While drawing the sketch, you will understand that sometimes your eyes are bigger or one eye is bigger than the other. So these are the mistakes we often do in the starting days of our drawing, but it's fine. With practice, you can handle all these problems. So this time I've taken a quite larger picture so that I can explain the process briefly. And if you follow me, this is the first part. I will be talking in a detail about shading the eyes, nose, lips in the next part, and then the hair, the complete process of the picture. We will finish it before 4th December. You can subscribe the channel to follow more. So you can see that the hand gesture. He has kept the hand, and above that the face is placed, and the fingers are not tight. What I mean to say is, he hasn't kept the hand tight or stiff, but his hand is left free. So that's the reason you will see the flow of the fingers very light, and we will not be able to see the veins of the hand because his hand is placed very lightly in a light manner. And also, what we say in Korean, it's said as hanbok, and the attire, the dress, clothes he's wearing needs light shading. So we will talk about the shading process in the upcoming videos. The hair are also not quite detailed in this reference, so we will use a darker tones of charcoal in this. So, but for this you have to know that we are only drawing the outline, and you have to handle a pencil lightly. Thank you very much. That's it with the process, and see you in the next video. Thank you.